Over the last 8 years, we've been really lucky to exponentially grow, doubling most years. And with that, we had a lot of organizational issues of how do you go from being a creative company to a manufacturing company to being an injection molding company to everything under the sun, and how do you keep it all straight? So we found Google Excel and had a spreadsheet for this and a spreadsheet for that. We had inventory software, we had everything under the sun, and none of it made any sense. And it was really stored in 4 key people's heads, and that was the way we were running our business. So from there, we're like, okay, we're gonna go after an ERP. Luckily, a Google search got us to KeyedIn, which we find it, and everything it says sounds interesting. First off, we're a creative company first. I had people within the company going, if it's ugly and looks like MS-DOS, I'm not using it, I don't care. And they had a point, because it's hard to use. We are a Mac-based company, and we've got multiple locations. At the time, we had 4 buildings in this city, 1 building in Southern California. Had people running around, working from home, working on the road, working from anywhere the hell their hearts desired, so it had to be cloud for us. There was no other option. So you check the first 2 boxes, but there was a really weird sales pitch that we got. The platform's only 80%. It's only 80% done. And we're like, okay, I don't get that. Well, it's the 80% that every business needs. It's exactly what, it's the rules and the functions that any product and business needs. The other 20% is whatever the hell your special business needs. And we'll code that for you. Or we'll teach your team how to put the button in the right spot. And went back to our partners, went back to our leadership team, and all of them were like, so we don't have to deal with the crap that everybody else has on their system. We just do our business, and then we do what our business does is special. Easy sell for everybody. Now, could they prove it? So we get into implementation, and embarrassing enough to myself, we realized we were running a really shoddy boat. We had holes all over the place. What is it that KeyedIn did for us? We started getting everything in. We started realizing every question was answered at the beginning of every job. We never had to worry about, oh shoot, did someone forget the date? No, the system didn't let me go to the next page until I put in what that person's email is, what that is. Well, being someone who's, first off, not naturally from manufacturing, we were a creative company. Second, someone who's learning this all as we go, we're starting to see the data actually be there all the time. It's keeping us more efficient. We're getting a hell of a lot more done with the same amount of people. So, I guess if we had to explain what is it that KeyedIn did for us, or why we chose KeyedIn, it's because it was the only software that was our business's software, not our business becoming someone else's software. And it just built us out.